Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. I am your English teacher, Mrs. Nahid. I welcome you all to Pakistan International School's e-learning program. The topic for our today's class is picture description. My dear students, while attending the class, you should be fully attentive and devoted. Ready with book and notebook. Note down important points during lectures and write all the given task in the notebook. Complete homework and assignment timely because a record will be maintained. The students will have to submit all the work once they rejoin school. My dear students, in today's lesson you will be able to learn important rules used for describing a picture. Write a paragraph describing a picture. Let us get started. My dear student, before you begin with describing your picture, the very first thing you should do is to think carefully what the given picture is about. Ask yourself, is it a cartoon? Is it a drawing? A painting? Or an advert? Think carefully what this picture shows. Then begin with introduction. After introducing the main object or person in the picture, you should write carefully what is where. What is the foreground? In the background? At the bottom? At the top? On the right? On the left? In the top left corner? Now write about the other important things about the picture. For example, if there are people or persons in the picture, guess and write about their age. After this, describe people's clothes. You may use 2 or more adjectives to describe the clothes, pattern, color, and material, etc. After writing about people's wearing, write what different people are doing in the picture. What is happening just now? For example, they are reading newspaper. They are reading books and taking notes, etc. Please, remember, we always use present continuous tense for picture description. You should think about the people in the picture, how they look, and then write about their feelings using these phrases. It seems as if. The lady seems to. He seems sad, frightened, happy. Maybe. My dear students, now you have to conclude your writing. You may conclude your writing by writing your opinion, like, I don't like the picture because it makes me think of. In my opinion, the photo is very funny, sad, interesting. Do you need examples? Here we go. Pause your video and read it carefully. Now it's your turn. My dear students, with this we have come to an end of our today's lesson. It's your turn now to write a paragraph describing the picture being displayed on your screen.